Hello Visioneer. Today we're going to talk about what a cell is. Let me tell you a secret. Everything you see, plants, animals, even you, didn't just appear as one big thing. They were all built from tiny pieces. Just like a house is built with blocks. That tiny piece of life is called a cell. Now, why do I call it a block? Because without block, no house. Therefore, without cells, no life. Simple. So imagine me sitting down with you right now and I want you to understand this thing forever. Our topic for today is the cell as the building block of life. What is a cell? Think of it like a small room. It has walls, it has workers, it has control center. And just like a room, it is part of a house. A cell is part of a body. When many rooms come together, you get a house. When many cells come together, you get me, you get a tree, you get a goat. Do you see it now? So remember this. Cell is the smallest living unit. Without it, nothing can live. Okay, now let's make it fun. Imagine the cell is not just a block, but a city. It consists of parts, right? Number one part, you have the nucleus. It's like the mayor's office. He gives instructions. So when you think of a nucleus, think of the mayor. He gives instruction. That's what the nucleus does. Now, you have another one, the mitochondria. They are also like NEPA. If there is no them, no electricity, and the whole city shuts down. That means if there is no mitochondria, there is no energy, and therefore the whole cell shuts down. Think of the other one, ribosome. They are like factories. They produce goods, and these goods are called proteins. And if there is no ribosomes, there will be no production of protein, which is used to repair the tissue in the cell. Think of this other one, the cell membrane. It is the police at the gate. It decides who comes in and who goes out. So, the cell membrane is like your police. If it is not there, anything can enter you anyhow. So that is why the cell membrane is there to protect you. Now the next one is cytoplasm. It's like the playground, or shall I say, the street. So, imagine if a city has only buildings but no ground. Where will people walk? Where will cars drive? That ground is the cytoplasm. In a cell, the cytoplasm is like the street, the open space, the water-filled playground where everything else sits. All the workers, the machines, and the factories are floating and walking inside the cytoplasm. So without it, the cell is an empty air. So that is the cytoplasm. Now, let's talk about the difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. Let's compare these things. Plant cell has a wall, remember? Very strong wall, like a fence, and we call it the cell wall. But animal cell, no fence, just membrane. That's one difference. Another difference, plant cell has chloroplast, solar panels. They use sunlight to make food. But animal cells, sorry, they don't have. They must eat before they get food and before they get energy. Another one, plant cell has one big water tank which I called vacuole, but animal cell only small. And if you know more, feel free to tell me in the comment section. But these ones will be guaranteed to be asked by your examiner. Now, what are the importance of all this? Why does it really matters? You may ask that, but why should I care about cells? Because life is so real. Do you know? Doctors check your blood cells to know your health. Scientists study plant cells to improve crops. Even when you get malaria, it's because parasites entered your red blood cells. So understanding cell is not just about biology, it's understanding life itself. Now let's move into a quick recap. The smallest unit of life is the cell. The mayor in a cell is the nucleus. What gives energy, like the NEPA in Nigeria, is the mitochondria. What the fence only plant has or have, the cell wall. Thank you for staying with me. Please do well to like and subscribe and share to your friends.